Out of the gate, I'm just gonna say it. You're overthinking it. Yeah, that's right, overthinking it. And as a busy boss babe or a seasoned sassy lady, getting dressed is the last thing that you need to be stressing out about or using way too much of your precious time. I got you. As my slay bae, I'm going to be introducing you to a quick and easy concept that's going to get you dressed in minutes instead of hours. Today, I'm excited about sharing with you a great concept that's going to help you get dressed in a whole new way. It's called outfit formulas. I've been so excited about this topic for you because I know it is just what you need to get dressed faster, easier, and with more confidence. And not only am I just sharing with you what this concept is, outfit formulas, but I'm going to actually show you how to put 4 new outfit formulas in place. You can rock them right now in any work-related environment. Yes, so this first installment of this series is all about 4 outfit formulas that you can wear for anything work-related. So I'm super excited to get started. If you are too, get ready, get set, let's slay. Welcome back to my channel, Slay Baes. I am so happy to have you here, especially for this new topic. But if you are new here, I want to say welcome. This is a channel that is designed for busy professional women and sassy seasoned women who love to sip that content tea, hunty. Yes, transform, elevate, and attract. And if you love what you see and hear here, I would love for you to like this video, share it out, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I'll tell you later exactly what I want you to put in the comments. But until then, let's dig in. So, what exactly are outfit formulas, you may ask? I like to consider them some of the greatest recipes you've tried. They have the perfect amount of ingredients and they are cooked or baked to perfection. Well, that's exactly what outfit formulas do for your style. They give you the components and all you have to do is just take those components, rinse and repeat them, and always be ready for the appropriate occasion. And that's why I decided to actually do a series, because there are different occasions, spaces, and places that you need to get dressed for, and not all of them call for the same dress code. So we're gonna start with workwear first, and then we're gonna do some other things later in the series. But for today, it's all about workwear and all of the different ways that you have to show up for work-related events. All right, sis, so your work wardrobe is your power cape. I know that it's important for you to show up confident, powerful. You want to turn heads, but still be taken very seriously. But that doesn't mean that it has to be boring or that you have to show up in a way that isn't authentically you. I'm going to show you how to create some combinations of pieces, be appropriate for any type of work occasion or work-related event, and still look polished, professional, and stylish. This first outfit formula is going to be great for the more formal occasions in the workplace. This would be a great formula for, let's say, business meetings, or if you have to do a presentation, or for interviews. So you would start with a tailored blazer, and it can be solids or prints. In my case, I did use a print here because I feel like it expresses my personality more. You can add a classic blouse or top underneath and pair it with some smart trousers and or a pencil skirt if you desire. Now, to round this out, you can add a statement necklace to elevate the look and some nice pumps. Now for outfit formula number 2, this is going to be for more of a casual work environment, or if you are going on a more casual business meeting. This is where you can wear, say, a wrap top or a fitted top. It could be knit or a nicer quality more elevated fabrics such as satin or silk or cashmere. And you can just simply pair this with some high-waisted trousers, as I did here, and you can finish off with some loafers and polish it off with some cool accessories just to give it that extra little edge and pop. This is a great polished, comfortable vibe that says that you're approachable yet ready for business. Now, outfit formula number 3 is an even more casual, comfortable, chic vibe. So this one you're going to be a little bit more adventurous with. Maybe you're going on to a coffee meeting, or you are doing something at a resort, or maybe even you're attending a conference. Here you can blend some traditional styles with some more casual, sporty styles and create a more comfortable, even an edgy look. So what I've done is I've paired a sporty blazer with a basic underlayer and a modern jeans style. So you can finish this with fashion sneakers or loafers or even boots, depending on what your mood is. And last but not least, we have outfit formula number 4, where this is for those multi-purpose days. This is for when you are working all day and then after work, you're going to hit up a social type of engagement. This one, I decided to go with a slip dress. You could do a midi wrap dress. That's a great option, and it's so versatile to wear a dress because you'll be able to then pair it with some really cool layers. So what I've done is I have paired this with a long cardigan. So during the day, it has more of a polished professional look. I belted it to give it a little bit more pizzazz and a little pop of color from the monochromatic column aesthetic. And then you can also dress this down with flats during the day and then pop on some heels at night. After hours, I removed the layer. I leaned more into a relaxed vibe, and I added a belt for a cinch waist look so that it is much more flattering. Never forget about the accessories. The accessories tend to pull the look together, assist you with bringing more personality and style and authenticity to your overall look and your personal brand. So never forget how to sprinkle them in and make them work as well. I really hope that you enjoyed and were inspired by these workplace outfit formulas, and that you plan to try 1, 2, or all of them in your very own workwear scenarios. There will be more to come. This is just the first of this series. We will be tackling other types of scenarios that busy professional women find themselves in, and sassy seasoned ladies as well. And we will be breaking it down into different formulas that you can rinse and repeat on a daily basis. Now, if you like this video, go ahead and hit like, and in the comments, tell me which were your favorite outfit formulas, and/or which one will you be trying to kind of bedazzle your workwear experience. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on the rest of this amazing outfit formula series. Until next time, you know what's good. Always choose love and slay all day.